Hello everyone, I'm Elpida Siandri and this is my presentation titled Immersive Experiences Then, Now and in 10 years later. We are going to look at how immersive technologies have developed from early academic theories to real world applications today and where we are heading in the near future. The structure is simply first we'll revisit the foundational theories about XR. Then I will show how those predictions align with what's happening today in industry, fashion, and the workplace. Finally, we will explore emerging trends and prediction for 2035 and how immersive technology may become our default mode of interaction. XR is a term that combines virtual reality, augmented reality, and mixed reality. It's already transforming how we learn, work, and shop. The goal of this presentation is to evaluate how far we have come and whether past visions of immersive match where we are today. What the classic research predicted? Let's talk about this study. The author introduced the idea of a spectrum that ranges from real environments to completely virtual ones. They predicted we had eventually move smoothly between them. Today we see that happening, not flawlessly, but increasingly. Through technologies like AR glasses, VR headsets, and mixed reality apps. To continue to another study, this author described the presence as the feeling of being truly inside the virtual environment. Back then it was mostly a theory. Today it is a design goal, one that developers try to achieve through immersive interaction and realism. This concept still shapes how XR experiences are built. To continue, this is another study where the author highlighted its biggest limitations, technical constraints, hardware design, and poor user experience. The images which you can see shown here come from early AR research, head-on devices, handheld displays, spatial tracking, and medical overlays. Many of these concepts, like haptics, gesture input, and medical AR, are now real. His predictions were impressively accurate. Where immersive tech stands. Let's analyze another study. In training and manufacturing, XR is already transforming how we teach complex procedures. This author Gavis describes tools like the IMA VR and IMA AR systems, which let workers interact with virtual components or view layered AR instructions. These platforms are safe, scalable, and highly realistic, a perfect match for hands-on environments. Let's continue. Augmented reality is reshaping how we shop. This author found that features like virtual try-ons increase purchase intention, especially among Gen Z consumers. Brands like Nike and Snapchat are already using AR as part of everyday customer engagement. Just download this app from Play Store if you have Android, and you can see it. What used to be novel is quickly becoming expected. Um, let's continue. The workplace is also evolving. Deloitte predicts that by 2035, work will be borderless, with remote teams collaborating in fully immersive virtual spaces. Employers are already looking for talent that's fluent in digital tools, avatars, and XR platforms. XR isn't just an add on anymore, it's becoming essential. As XR grows, so do concerns around ethics, user safety, and interface design. Durner emphasized the need for human-centered system, ones that protect users from cognitive overload, maintain privacy, and prioritize accessibility. I'm sorry for this. I'm stuck. The future of XR isn't just technical; it's ethical too. And now we can see the future in 10 years later. The next decade will redefine immersion. We are seeing the early development of brain computer interfaces, or BCIS, which let us control environments with thought. Multisensory XR will go beyond sight and sound to include touch, smell, and even emotion tracking. AI will co-create environments, avatar, and stories tailored to its user. And this future is not just likely; it's already in motion. By 2035, we may stop calling it immersive and start calling it normal. I believe it. To conclude, the early researchers will look at the Milgram, Slater, and Van Crevelen gave us strong conceptual foundations. Their theories weren't just accurate, they shaped how today's XR systems were built. But now we are at a tipping point. It's just a few years, immersive experiences may stop being an option and become the default. And these are the academic and industry sources I have used. Thank you so much.